Hello and welcome to this second technical explanation presentation from Leading Edge Turbines. Here we will be looking at all of the components needed for an LE-300 hybrid system. A hybrid system describes a battery charging system which will use two or more sources of renewable energy. In this case we will be looking at the LE-300 wind turbine working alongside a small photovoltaic solar panel array. We'll start with the LE-300 turbine, which is a 1 meter diameter, lightweight, 300 watt maximum power turbine. It has excellent power output characteristics and is extremely quiet. The LE-300 needs to be mounted on a support structure. This should be as high in an uninterrupted windy position. Leading Edge turbines supply guide tower kits or a marine mount kit. The LE-300 is designed to fit upon a 48.3mm scaffold pole or a 50mm outside diameter pole. A shim is provided with the turbine to allow the option of either. With the mounting kit taken care of, we need to start looking at the electrical accessories. Downstream from the turbine is the run-stop switch, which is highly recommended. This allows the turbine to be brought to a near stop at any time for safety, maintenance or any other reason. Leading Edge Turbines provides a heavy duty cam action brake before make switch provided with a ingress protected waterproof enclosure, so it is suitable for use in marine environments. The DC output from the run stop switch is then fed directly to the battery pack. No charge controller is used in between the turbine and the battery pack at this stage, so the turbine is always charging the batteries directly. Now we will consider the photovoltaic array. In this configuration, up to 200 watts of photovoltaics can be added to the system. Again, these are wired directly to the battery pack. We now need to start thinking about charge control options. The batteries must be protected from overcharge, as this will damage them. For this purpose, we will use a 45 amp TriStar diversion charge controller. In diversion mode, this will then be connected to a 500 watt dump load. When the battery voltage becomes high and gets to threshold levels, the TriStar controller will begin to send energy to the 500 watt dump load. The dump load is basically an electrical heater which will convert the energy from the batteries into heat, which will then convect around the atmosphere. Only the excess energy is bled off in this way. Then the loads and appliances can be drawn straight from the battery pack. This may be done with 12 or 24 volt DC appliances, or you may choose to use a battery inverter to provide mains power at 230 volts 50 Hz AC. Leading Edge turbines can provide the LE-300 turbine, the tower or mounting kit, the run stop switch, the TriStar controller and the dump load. The PV equipment and the battery pack and the loads and appliances can be purchased elsewhere or via one of our many dealers.